welcome to the Halving Report. We're on episode 16. There's approximately 64 days left until the next Bitcoin halving. The price of Bitcoin is approximately 9,100 American dollars. That's about 12,200 Canadian dollars. Folks, we have been giving away lots of crypto updates as well as following the U.S. Democratic primary election. In today's episode, I'm going to tell you what each candidate take is on money and cryptocurrency. I will definitely post my source in the show notes. I found a great article that was published just on March 2nd, 2020 by the Decrypt Media staff. As the Bitcoin market cap surpasses hundreds of billions of dollars, the presidential candidates are being pressed more and more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general. The article links to a study that shows millennials and Generation Z are gaga for crypto. In fact, 43% of them think that crypto can replace the current financial system in America. So what do the presidential candidates think about crypto, Bitcoin, and the financial technology that underpins it, blockchain? Most people in the cryptocurrency space are familiar with Donald Trump's stance, which is that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency can help facilitate unlawful behavior, suggesting drugs being the main culprit of this unlawful behavior, as if the US dollar isn't the biggest culprit of unlawful behavior in the world. I think it's a very old school and predictable opinion from Donald Trump. Blockchain is a tool just like any other technology that can be used for good or bad. However, not everybody in the Trump administration has that same opinion. Many of them are enthusiastic about the potential that blockchain technology can bring to the U.S. economy. On to Joe Biden, who has not said much about Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. At least at some point, one of his super PACs was accepting cryptocurrencies for donations. However, I don't think there is a real clear stance on cryptocurrencies from the Biden camp. I do predict that the Biden camp will release a clear plan on cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, especially how to tax them. I'm sure they will be heavily regulated in America under a Biden centrist or right-wing Republican government. I know Tulsi Gabbard doesn't really have a clear path to the nomination, but there was a financial disclosure report that showed that she actually bought Ethereum and Litecoin back in December of 2017 on the top of the bull market. So she's down a little bit of money in crypto, but she's obviously curious about it. She did speak in favor of the Token Taxonomy Act, which aims to exempt some tokens and digital assets from federal securities laws. On to Bernie Sanders, America's dad. He has not spoken publicly about Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies yet. However, he does have strong views on money, on financial institutions, on Wall Street. Bernie Sanders is well known for railing against the economic policies that have benefited merely the 1% in America. He has a plan called Fair Banking for All, and it shows an interest in expanding access to financial services to 63 million Americans who are underbanked. The sentiment of banking the unbanked and offering financial tools to people that wouldn't have otherwise is very popular in the crypto community. However, Bernie Sanders' plan is not to use cryptocurrency, it is to utilize the U.S. postal offices. Perhaps we will see a USPS token in the future. Many others have pointed out that Bernie's position on net neutrality and encouragement for higher internet speeds and access to high internet speeds will be a great adoption measure for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I'm Brad Bynes. Thank you for listening to episode 16 of the Halving Report.